मैं हूं पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने वाली हूं अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंड प्रायर टू माय 2 अरेस्ट्स. My first arrest was by Bundi police that comes under Rajasthan and is under Congress Sarkar. At that time I used to make videos and mostly my videos were on information that were transferred via WhatsApp. The information in the video in question which led to the arrest had information which was prevalent on Google, Wikipedia and also involved a book which was written by M.O. Mathai. Incidents that happened prior to my second arrest involved me making videos on RTI information. Yes, I had given up taking information from WhatsApp, believing them. I had started filing RTIs and I used to make videos on that. But my arrest happened in Ahmedabad by Ahmedabad police, which is in Gujarat, which is ruled by BJP. So right now I'm just going to be telling you that Payal tried to evolve, Payal tried to do the right thing, but then Payal always got arrested. 2 different arrests, 2 different states under 2 different sarkars. आज मैं इंफॉर्मेशन आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ about another RTI. This RTI Payal Rohatgi has not filed. It has been filed by Nilesh G Prabhu, who is a businessman, and he has got a reply from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And this RTI information reveals that 46,900 ventilators were distributed to the states while 13,000 remained unused by the center during the COVID second wave crisis. This information is shared by Quint, which usually publishes information which is against Modi's Sarkar. So this reveals that close to 13,000 ventilators procured by the center were not distributed to the state. Demand for ventilator beds skyrocketed across the country and multiple media houses reported on the lack of ICU or ventilator beds in several states. Lives were lost because of lack of our country's capacity to install, commission, operate and train doctors to use these valuable procured resources. Statement made by Mr. Rajiv Nath from Association of Indian Medical Devices Industry. No death due to oxygen shortage was the statement claimed by various states. Maharashtra said that. Chhattisgarh said that. Congress is attacking Modi Sarkar over this in the parliament. But to this, the BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra is saying that government's stand on this issue is that health is a state subject and no state had sent any data on deaths due to lack of oxygen. So obviously BJP Sarkar in the center is saying that it is the state's fault. They had not given us any data regarding that deaths happened due to lack of oxygen, which is why center made that statement. But obviously states also made that statement, but we all know that there were lots of deaths in the second wave of COVID and 13,000 ventilators were not distributed by the center to the states. I'm just saying, let's not be bitter, let's not be angry, let's not be frustrated. Let's read news that is coming from both the sides. Let's be aware of information and let's make correct decisions for ourselves, our family and our country. Namaste, Jai Hind.